Welcome. This is a short introduction for my decal panels for the add-on decalMachine. So, decalMachine is an add-on for Blender. If you go to Blender and go to Edit, Preferences, and then to the add-ons folder, you can search for the decalMachine if you have installed it. This add-on is not by me, but I made this panel package, and you can either click on the import button below and then select the folder and import the decal folder called SciFi Panels, or which is maybe better, you go to your file browser and then you go to your Blender configuration folder, and you go to the scripts folder and to the add-ons folder, and there you have a directory decalMachine. This is where the decalMachine add-on is installed if you have it. And then you open the decalMachine folder and go to Assets and Decals. And there you can insert your additional decal folders. So you can extract the SciFi Panels folder inside this folder. It's called decalMachine Assets Decals. And there you can extract it, and then you have the folder SciFi Panels. And then you can go back to Blender and you open the add-ons and search for the decalMachine add-on, and then you can click this button to reload the libraries. Click the button and it will reload the libraries, and then you should find SciFi Panels inside the library list here. And then you can close it. And if you have, for example, made for example, a starship way like this one, and it looks a little boring, then you can use the panels pack to improve it. So what you do is you select the object where you want to add the decal, and then you press D, and then this panel of the decalMachine appears, and you can select the panels you want to insert, and you should find the folder called SciFi Panels. SciFi Panels set 1, and if you click on it, you will find it will start to load. It should start to load. It should start to load. There it is. Okay, it should start to load all the decals inside the package. And then you have our 30 panels we can use to add details to our way. For example, this one, I click on it and it takes a while, and then it will load it and apply it to the surface. And you can press S and scale it, and there we have some detail. If parts of the decal disappear, and you can move it away a little bit from the wall by pressing D, A, and then moving the mouse, so you can move it inside or outside, and make it appear again. If you zoom very close, it won't look very good, because this is just remember, this is just a normal map, and you can improve the effect by enabling the parallax. I think it's enabled now. the parallax effect, and but so if you zoom close, it doesn't look well, but for far distant details or for quick drafting, I think this works very well. Okay, so and there you have it, and you can duplicate it. Press Shift D and press Y and move it, for example. Add a second panel, and then we can continue adding panels on the ground floor. Press D, select the panels, and let's see. Maybe this one. And again, I move it to the center, and now what you can do is you can add go to the modifiers and select the decal and add an array modifier, and it will duplicate your decals. For example, duplicate it 4 times, and you have your floor almost ready. So this is how you can work with the panels pack, decal panels pack. I hope you like it, and it's available on Gumroad now. Thank you for watching.